Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. Just wanted to give you a couple of updates regarding one question that I get many times as the founder of the TPR community, the largest trading community in Europe, and that is why does it make so much sense to maybe learn investing and trading with the community, with a network community such as the TPR, working together with iGenius, with a public traded company, or basically InvestU, which is a public traded company. And that's a question that I get a lot. People are, why should I join a network marketing system to learn trading? Can I not just like watch a couple of YouTube videos? Isn't it like better to read books? Isn't it better to become a banker and then go into the investment space and become an investment banker and then learn trading? And I guess by talking to a lot of people in the industry, especially when it comes to investment and trading, investment banking, and being again the founder of the largest trading community and trading myself, learning different systems, being in the markets for 7 years now, crypto, stocks, forex, all of it, long-term swing trading and short-term, I figured out and I know that joining a community where it's about learning and educating yourself about trading and investing makes the most sense, because the community will always support each other, and especially learning about trading and investing, doing it, alone at the end of the day, watching YouTube videos, reading books, is everything. It helps, right? It's not like I don't watch YouTube videos. It's not like I don't read. Obviously, it helps. So you need to understand at the end of the day that joining a community where people help people and actually people need to help people is the best system. Now, network marketing especially is built on the system where when you sign up people and you help people, you're gonna make a commission on that. Not on the money that they invest, but through the packages. So network marketing encourages and incentivizes us to educate our people, because the longer they stay active, the longer they pay the subscription, the monthly fee, the longer we will make a passive income. I will make a passive income. So not only people joining, but people especially staying. The retention is the most important thing for passive income when it comes to network marketing. That's why the system makes so much sense. Where out there, trading courses and whatsoever are one-time payments most likely. So you pay your mentor a one-time fee, you're gonna get access to the course, and that's it. They're maybe not so motivated to especially educate you, answer your questions, and continue the learning process with you because they made a one-time fee. That's why I would never choose a one-time payment fee course over a community where you have a monthly or even yearly subscription. Most of the biggest communities out there, they work on a monthly or yearly or quarterly or whatever subscription model, because that's how you make sure that people at the top, people that run the system, are incentivized to continuously educate you, help you, support you, take your hand. And that's why a community is so important. We have traders like Stefan Kassing himself, which is our trading educator, my personal trading mentor, and the SK system, the system that we teach and use to trade the markets, which is obviously also used in especially German-speaking markets, but then internationally. This so-called SK system, and Stefan Kassing himself is someone that learned trading for himself and then started to build up his own community, because he knew that the power of the community is the most important thing to learn and impact other people. Because imagine once you are a trader, imagine once you know how it works. First of all, you have to put in way more work and time than having a mentor, because again, community and then mentorship is so insanely important, because a mentor can increase the learning curve and cut the learning process of trading in half. We have people becoming profitable after 1.5 years with a very complex system. The complexity is not a bad thing. It is very defined, the system, if you compare it to other concepts such as, for example, smart money or whatsoever, which would be maybe a little bit easier and faster to learn. But at the end of the day, you want to have a tool, you want to have a defined system to dominate the markets, and not just a concept where you have a lot of room for emotion. So at the end of the day, a community, mentorship, people really helping you and taking your hand is the most important thing. With that being said, guys, I guess that answers the question why it's so important to have a community and maybe choose a community such as the Trading People Revolution over any other courses, any one-time big fees, whatever, mentorships. Because at the end of the day, there's a reason why we are the largest community, and there's the reason why we produce a lot of funded and a lot of successful traders. Obviously, past results never guarantee future results, but we have insane numbers. The community is growing. We have been around for 7 years, and we teach methods and systems that work, and that's why you should choose a community over everything else, and learning and studying it for yourself, watching YouTube videos, reading books. These are add-ons, and I would always recommend them, but that's not the main source, because I cannot be a doctor watching Scrubs. It doesn't work. And then in addition to that, like, let's be very honest, most of the opportunities that you have out there is most likely a Telegram chat. It's a one-time payment for a course, somewhere in between, let's say, a couple of €100 up to 10,000, 20,000. Sometimes it's even seminars, right? But how much will you really learn on a weekend seminar about trading? It's gonna cover the basics. I'm not saying it's not good to do it. It's always good to invest in yourself. But when it comes to what we offer, a full-blown education platform, multiple trader and educators, over 30 channels on trade ideas, right? People helping you, community, meetups, events, traveling together, going together, for example, to Dubai and spending the time with the best traders and networkers. We have extra trading floor seminars on the SK system where people are educated by the best of the best traders around the SK system. We are the only German, and obviously also English, but only German smart money concept education platform that exists in German-speaking markets. Again, English-speaking markets, obviously the smart money concept already exists, but we educate you even on German on that system, which no one does out there. Now, even joining and paying a one-time fee and then the monthly subscription will make sure that, again, people are incentivized to help you and to take your hand and to do that forever, because we win if the whole community wins at the end of the day. Also taking into consideration that the other courses mainly focus on one direction. So let's say it's a specific way on trading the forex market, the currency market, or it's a specific way how to trade the crypto market. In our system, in the TPR system, in Universe, combined with iGenius, the smartest and best company when it comes to trading and investing out there and educating since 2013, the very first company that exists in that area, and many others copied. But with that being said, very important is that we teach all different markets, right? So with one system or the other system, smart money concept, SK system, with the same system, especially when it comes to the SK system, you can trade all the markets, and we educate on all the markets. So let's say we take forex, we educate you on forex. Let's take stocks, we educate you on stocks. Let's take crypto, we educate you on crypto, but not only on crypto, but all the other aspects when it comes to crypto, such as NFTs, right? We teach about NFTs, how to trade and how to invest and how to buy NFTs. So we go into all of these markets. After watching this, and it was just important for me to answer the question why you should join a community over a self-studying course or one-time payment and join the TPR, you can watch the full business presentation where we will show you what you get once you join.